Hello everyone, it's Godzilla 954 here. I'm back with another video, and today is going to be another review. It's been quite a while since we've done a review. Let's see, the last review was... 2 weeks ago. Huh. That's depressing. Oh yeah, fun fact. Since I have a phone case, and basically the same thing is my shirt. Big girl. So anyways, yes, it's another Godzilla vs. Kong review, and it's another Playmates review. I think the review I've been wanting to get out. But as you guys probably know, school and stuff has been getting in the way of these videos. So anyways, yeah. So anyways, here is the box. It's pretty much the same as the other ones. Now I know they are remaking. I think they're remaking these. I think, or at least new versions. I don't know. But the box is pretty straightforward. It's pretty much the same as the other one, or let's say the same. But I do like it. So yeah, there's the box, the front, side, back. Pretty cool promotional image right there. There's all the figures you can get, and I think I almost have all of them. I have, so far anyway, I have Hong Kong Battle Godzilla, Crawler, I probably spelled that wrong, butcher that, or whatever. And I have Warbat, I have Godzilla with Radio Tower. Doesn't show the other ones, but yeah, I am almost halfway done. Finally completing the first wave of Playmates Godzilla vs. Kong figures. I know there's new ones. I think there's more coming out, but I'm probably gonna skip those because I am running out. I'm running out of shelf space in this room actually. So yeah, so that's the box. Pretty straightforward. And here is Godzilla with Fighter. Okay. So, I've been wanting this guy for a very long time. Ever since it came out, or revealed, or whatever. I've been wanting this guy for a pretty long time now. But good thing I got it on my birthday. And yeah. So this is basically Godzilla 2021, even though it's the same design as King of Monsters in that. I think I know it's the same design, but whatever. But yeah, so there's Godzilla. Pretty straightforward. Nothing new, but he's in a different pose. He's pretty much roaring up to the sky, or whatever. I also like how they made his tail like this, so he doesn't take up shelf space. So I like all of these guys. So yeah, so is the tails. You know what I'm saying? Also, his spikes are translucent. Now, I'm gonna turn up the light. Since his spikes are translucent, I'm gonna do this. Since the spikes are translucent, okay, that's kind of creepy. Spikes are translucent. Oh God, I think I just blinded you all. Sorry. Okay, my bad. My bad. Sorry. Okay, I hope that's a little bit better. If you notice, his spikes are translucent. Sorry for the blindness. Sorry, guys. My bad. They made me do it like this. My bad. But yeah, spikes are translucent. I always love the translucent spikes. Sorry. Sorry, guys. But yeah. Since I'm too lazy to go turn on the light again, I'm just gonna use my light over here, but yeah. So basically, that's pretty straightforward. Bow damage as well. Pretty much the same, kind of. And the only articulation is his arms and legs, and kind of his tail, because that's where you insert it in. And this guy comes with an accessory, the fighter jet, which you can just basically stick in his hand like that. And yeah, that's pretty much the figure. So again, I'm sorry for the blindness with my phone's light. I didn't mean to do that. Sorry, guys. But yeah, not much. It's a very decent figure. I like it a lot. And kind of wish they did have like another, kind of like with the Heat Ray Godzilla, the one that also lights up. Kind of wish they put lights in him too. That'd be cool. But yeah, pretty straightforward. Not much to go over him. He's basically just a decent figure. And yeah, hope you guys. Well, that's it for this review. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And again, I am sorry for the blindness. I made you guys blind with my phone. So yeah, sorry. As always, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.